Load your family into the 2014 Mazda CX-5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.